Hey guys, just wanted to pop on here and make this video. I was thinking about something today as I was driving home from the gym. Now I go to the gym 5 days a week, typically 4 to 5 days a week. I push really hard, but I don't always know exactly what I'm doing. And oftentimes, even though I've been going for a couple of years, oftentimes I find myself asking people there what I should be doing. Now in the beginning, I did not do that. I did not very often ask people at all because I felt dumb. Like, I have gray hair, I should know how to do things. I'm 30 something, 38 years old. I should know how to do things. I shouldn't need to ask people. At least that's how I felt, and so I never asked, and that's the problem. But now I've sort of come to this point where, like, I'm not really caring what people are thinking. If I don't know how to do something, I'm gonna find someone who knows how to do that thing, and I'm gonna ask them. And even if it makes me feel a little weird or feel dumb, that's all right, because I've come to the conclusion I'm not a super smart guy. I like couldn't hack the Navy. I did 5 years in the Navy, couldn't hack it. Didn't get very far with that. Failed out of community college. That's a real thing. Like, didn't even make it 2 years. Couldn't even get my associate's degree. Failed out because not a super smart guy. So I don't have a whole, like, the bar's not super high for me to reach. And it doesn't really matter to me. I don't care what people think at this point. I'm just going to ask the question. Now, going along with that, I went to the library today. So I'd ordered a book from the library. I'd ordered it online. And I got a notification today saying it was available, which is cool. Now, I used to go to the library a bunch when I was a kid. I love to read. I used to love to read. I'm trying to get back into it. I used to go to the library a whole lot. I knew how it worked. I knew how to check things out. Like all of that. Well, unfortunately, now that I'm older and supposed to be wiser with all this gray hair, I don't really know much of anything anymore. And so it seems like the older I get, the dumber I get. Is that a thing? Maybe. Could be. And so I went to the library. My kids had shown me the last time we were there where the reserved books were. So I went over there. I felt really good about myself. Found my name. Pulled the book off the shelf. Really excited about it. And then I realized I don't know how to check this thing. I don't know how to check this out. I had watched my son use the self-checkout and then, like, scan the card, do the thing, and, like, put the book on the shelf thing, and it, like, scans it for you. I don't know. And so I had to go to the front, and I asked the guy, definitely younger than me. I was like, hey man, I've never checked anything out from this library before. Don't know what I'm doing. Could you help me and school me on this? And he kind of rolled his eyes and he sighed. I probably thought, what an idiot. And he's not too far from the truth there. But he helped me, and he was like, yeah, scan your card, put your pin in, and put the book on the shelf thing, and then press receipt. And so, like, I did it, and in 30 seconds, I was out of there. And I feel like so much smarter. I called my wife. I was like, I checked out a book from the library all by myself after the guy told me how to do it. And we laughed about it. And that's just what it is, man. Like, you just have to ask the question. If you don't know, find someone who knows, ask the question. It will help you get further in life when you ask the question. You can stumble over yourself. You can try to figure it out on your own. You'll run in circles probably for the most part until you figure it out. Or you can just ask someone and they'll, like, shortcut you to the thing. It's like literally the shortcut. I would call it a life hack, but I hate that term, and so we're just going to call it a shortcut. You ask the person who knows what they're doing, and typically when someone really knows what they're doing, they're willing to share with you what they're doing, and that makes all the difference. And so my thing today, kind of the thought on my mind, is don't be afraid to ask. Don't be afraid to find the person who knows about the thing that you want to do or grow in or whatever, the gym exercise, or how to check the book out from the library, or accounting, or math, or English. Just ask the question. It'll get you to success so much faster. It will help you avoid those pitfalls. Like I said, I'm not a super smart guy, so this is like literally the one thought that I had in my mind. One thing. That, and make pizza when I get home from the gym, which I did. It was tasty. Flatbread pizza. It was great. All right. Talk to you guys soon.